Welcome to Phitsanulok, Central Thailand. Today, I will fly the Thai low-cost carrier Nok Air to Bangkok's Mueang Airport. The most convenient way getting to this regional airport is by taxi or Grab. Phitsanulok Airport is a starting point when visiting the ancient city of Sukhothai. The airport is around 1.5 hour drive away from Sukhothai, but the flights are way cheaper than flying directly to Sukhothai. The airport is really small and only used by the low-cost carriers AirAsia, Thai Lion Air and Nok Air. You can find reports about all these airlines on my channel. Now we are Airside. Just a lot of seating possibilities and one coffee shop. My flight today is going to Bangkok's Mueang Airport. The former main international airport of Bangkok is mainly used by low-cost carriers these days. Let us board the aircraft. As common at many regional airports, this airport does not have jet bridges, so we have to walk across the apron. Nok Air has a pretty cool and colorful livery. I really like it. My seat today will be 10A. The seat pocket contains a safety card, an air sickness bag, and an onboard magazine. Nok Air is a Thai low-cost carrier and offers economy class only, onboard all aircraft. Sunset Takeoff. Let us enjoy. The seat pitch is okay, average for a low-cost airline.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome aboard Airline 207 departing for Bangkok International Airport. Flight time will be 50 minutes. I would like to introduce also a team on this flight. The pilot in command, Captain Vasharapong.
The aircraft in general seems to be clean and tidy.
your present flight.
The flight time to Bangkok is just around 1 hour. Welcome to Bangkok Mueang Airport.
To see you again.
This was a nice flight on board Nok Air. There was nothing to complain about, but also nothing that stands out. A good and solid in-flight experience. Thank you for watching and joining me today.